There are multiple ways to put data into your VDO Fleet account. Go to the Downloads tab on the blue bar on the left. If you are using a card reader or doing a driver card, then there is the Download button by Driver Card. If you are using a download key, there is the Download button by Download Key. If you have DDD files on your PC in a folder, you can click the Computer Download button, or the cross-hatched box allows you to drag and drop files into the VDO Fleet account. You can click Browse to manually select files also. We do have products such as the DLK Smart for manual downloading, the DL4G for remote automatic downloading, and also the VDO Link for those who want remote downloading in a plug-and-play device. If I show you an example with a file from my PC, I click Browse and then select the file. Select the site I want the file to go to. This is a driver's file. If I have a group, I can also select that here, for example night workers or agency workers. Click OK. You can see it has successfully added the file. A receipt of the download can be viewed by clicking the Receipt button. The file is now added.